Good morning. My name is Nehal Vinayak Thorat, studying in BSc Part 3, Zoology Department, paper number 16, Insect, Vector and Histology. My seminar topic is sandfly. Sandfly. The sandfly is name for any species or genus or flying, biting, blood-sucking dipterant encountered in sandy area. Taxonomic classification: the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Diptera, family Psychodia, subfamily Philibottomia. Philibottomia sandfly contains more than 600 species. Important of these are P. argentipes, P. papetisni, P. sargenti, and S. punjabensis. Introduction: there are about 700 species of sandflies. 70 species have been incriminated as vector. They bite human transmit disease to them. Classification of sandfly: the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Diptera, family Psychodidae, genus Philibottomus, species Philibottomus pipetaceae, Philibottomus sargenti, and Philibottomus argentipes. Identification: the sandflies are light or dark brown in color, blood-sucking type of dipteran fleas. There are 1.3 to 3.5 mm long, found mainly in tropics areas. A few also found in temperature regions. The only females are blood-eating pests and are nectaral habitat. General characteristics: these are small in size, like as 2 to 3 mm in long. These are brown in color but appear uh, white when illuminated. The wings held in erect V-shaped. Their habitat is nocturnal feeders. They do not hover. These are silent and very painful bites. Life cycle: the life cycle stages are: the eggs are laid in dark, humid animal burrows, cracks or surface, or under dead larvae. There are 4 larval instars, the larval stages lasting a total of 4 to 6 weeks. The pupa requires 10 days for development. LC requires 40 to 50 days. Only adult females suck blood. Adult lifespan is 2 to 3 weeks and 30 to 50 eggs or female. These are life cycle of sandflies. The sandflies, the immature sandflies. Eggs not laid in water but need humidity. Laid in cracks and services varies depending on species. The typical lower fly life cycle: there are eggs, 4 larval instars, and pupa and adult. The larvae feed on decaying organic matter. The larva and pupa very difficult to collect. First as the larvae, the maggot-like structure. These are having large head, thorax and abdomen. The 2 long brittle on last abdominal segments. The 4 larval instars are present. The mature larvae is 3 to 6 mm in long. The larva feed on decaying organic matter, become a pupa in about 2 weeks. In second stage pupa, the pupa are objects measuring approximately 2.6 mm in length. The looking much like a butterfly chrysalis, containing of the terminal pseudopodium of the 9th abdominal segment and the entire ilium of the flower instar larvae. Pupa stages last for about 1 week. Third is adult stage. The adult are small, salivary brownish and long-legged flies with narrow bocks. Their wings are less than 3 mm long. Nocturnal habitat. It has a weak flight for short distance and for short levels. The shelters during the day in dark, humid places like tree holes, animals' burrows, or under rocks. Their average life of sandfly is about 2 weeks. The morphology: the adults is small, less than 5 mm long. These are slender with piercing mouth parts and long antennae. Wings when are parallel to each other. Habits. Only female sandflies are bloodsucker and they are nocturnal feeders. They are poor flyer and fly in characteristics hopping 30 to 1000 meter, not over 200 meter. Prevalent from May to September, larvae survives through the winter. Sandflies and disease transmit leishmania species of human and dogs. The carrion disease Brotanilla bacilliformis viruses sandflies fever. Family Phlebotominia. The Phlebotomini sand fleas. There are two genera. First, transmit leishmaniasis is worldwide and transmit sandflies fever virus is Mediterranean and transmit Corion's disease Brotonilosis like as Peru, Ecuador and Colombia. Disease transmitted disease like as a Phlebotomus argentipes are these are काला आजार disease. नंतर Phlebotomiasis papaticid fever is sandflies. Phlebotomus sargenti oriental sowers and yes Punjabensis fever is sandfly. Personal protection as DDT and DIMP and second is sandfly net. Sanitation, removal of shrubs and vegetation, the filling of cracks and crevices in the wall and floor, make a distance of cattle sheds and poultry from human habitation. Spray insecticides, measures to control adult and sandflies, Lutzomia and Phlebotomus. Use of insecticides currently mostly pre-thyroid for residual spraying of dwelling and animal shelter. Second, space spraying, and third, insecticide treated nets, and fourth one is impregnated dogs like as collars. Personal protection through the application of repellents or insecticides to skin or fabrics. Public health importance. First is ability to transmit several in viral, bacterial and protozoan diseases. Second is causing organisms of human, other animals, etc. The control measures are first is spray insecticides, second killing of reservoir species, and third one sanitation, and fourth one is personal protection. Thank you.